Good day everyone, I am Roland Janluar, the reporter of the Chapter 12 entitled Operating Lease in the Perspective or Point of View of the Lessor. So I believe that in the previous reports, lease had been discussed. So if we talk about the lease, it is a contract or part of contract that conveys the right to use the underlying asset for a period of time in exchange for consideration. We all know also that in a lease, there are two parties involved, which is the lessor, which is the owner, and the lessee, which is the renter. Moreover, my report today aims to achieve these following objectives. So, lessor accounting under the new lease standard is business as usual. And in the IFRS number 16, paragraph 61, provides that a lessor shall classify leases as either an operating lease or a finance lease. So, what is operating lease and what is finance lease? What is operating lease? Operating lease is a lease that does not transfer substantially all the risk and rewards incidental to ownership of an underlying asset. It means that in operating lease, the lessor will still be the owner of that certain property or asset. We can say that in operating lease is just a rent transaction kay wala man napasa kang lessee ang right of risk and rewards of ownership in terms ana nga asset. Next, what is finance lease? Finance lease is a lease that transfers substantially all the risk and rewards incidental to ownership of an underlying asset. So in substance, si lessee na ang nahimong tag-iya of that pertaining asset. But even though no, it is in form, finance lease is just a rent transaction. But see to it that in substance, it is actually a sale transaction. And apparently, the lease payment that we called are considered as installment payment. So here in finance lease, always remember that here in finance lease, the right and risk of rewards are transferred to the lessee.